Guys, Cardfight here, and today I'll be opening the speed unboxing for Strike Back Against the Supreme. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, 5 boxes. Let's see how fast we can open these. Let's go. So, the Chrono Jet Stride is pretty strong. He's basically every standard, but you turn back into Chrono Jet, but then Chrono Jet has no effect anyway, so pretty strong. Wait, I just pull it. No. But I don't really like the art for it. It looks kind of ugly. Oh, we got the Mega Kali Triple Rare. I think he has an on-hit effect, but it's pretty strong. And your opponent can't stand or something, and you can't re-ride, I think. Not sure, exactly sure. I'm gonna build a deck, but I'm not sure. Not sure of the effect. So we got the Genesis Perfect Guard. Or a G, pretty cool. A little bit hard, so oh, this box looks extremely familiar. So I got the Angel Feather Perfect Guard G. Oh, SP. We got SP Angel Feather Heal Damage Chick. Raphael, I think her name is. Or him, it could be a trap. I don't know. I can't judge. But yeah, we got an SP. Pretty cool. Very pretty. Got another one of her. So I got one SP already, so that's pretty good. I wonder how lucky I'll be for this set. I was pretty lucky for GPT-03, so maybe my luck won't carry over. I was pretty unlucky for Bermudas. I was pretty lucky for Token Rambu, which I didn't really want to use my luck on Token Rambu, but that's okay. Got another Destruction Deity Beast. Yes. So, cool stuff. Just need 2 more of him now, and then I can pimp out my new Regalia, or pimp out my new Genesis deck. Probably do a new update for my Regalias. I'll see. But I'll definitely be building a new Genesis deck. Wow, my double rares are pretty much exactly the same. So, or at least I got the 3 Perfect Guard Gs, which are exactly the same. And even got the triple rare that's exactly the same. So, not sure what's up with that. Got Asha. Very cute. Definitely going to be building this deck. I don't even think you need an Asha Vanguard for her skill. So awesome. Okay, so yeah, this box is trolling the balls out of me. Wait, did I miss a double rare? Oh no, I got all of them. Yeah, the double rares were exactly the same, so don't know what's up with that. It's kind of weird. Triple rares were not the same though, so yeah. Do a recap on that later. Let's quickly unbox all of this, and then yeah. Got the Shadow Paladin trigger. Double rare trigger. Got another destruction deity, whatchamacallit face. Not sure how I feel about that. Still have 3 more boxes to go. We're not sure how many more I want to pull. But he is a good card, so or I hope he's gonna be worth something. So we'll see how that goes. Got another Mega Colony double rare. Got the triple rare for Genesis, the Stride Break. It's the first one I got, so that's cool. You got 1 point, so no SP in this box. Put that over here. I probably won't get the SP pack. That's too RNG for me. I don't have good RNG, so probably yeah. This is a Stride Break for Mega Colony. So all my triple rares have been pulled. Oh, this Ashia support, I think. Or rank, whatever her name is. Randomly. I don't remember the exact name, but it's the thing in front of her name, her title thing. So, yeah. Ugh. Pack. And we got this dude again. I don't need this dead fart anymore. Clean up this area and then just alright, so the pulls so far are okay, I guess. No generation rare or anything, but I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Hopefully I'll get at least one next stage. I don't know. I really don't know. Worst come to worst, I just won't go there right away, I guess. I'll just wait till the price drops. Cause, you know. Oh, fuck. Got another 1 point. Not good. Neo Nectar double rare. Got another Asya. Got another Genesis Angel Feather Vanguard. Got another Angel Feather triple rare. That cutie. Got this guy which we never got before. I believe is. Never mind. Whatever. Got another destruction beast, destruction deity beast. This guy, he's my new boyfriend. My new destruction husbando. Not sure how I feel about him. I'll reciprocate his feelings, I guess. I'm definitely gonna build his deck, so see how that goes. Right, so we have 2 boxes left, and we still haven't gotten a Generation Rare, so it's kind of sad, but oh well. I got a lot last set, which got reprinted this set, which I'm not extremely happy about, but it's Bushiroad, so whatever. They're famous for doing scumbag moves like this. Still buy from them though, cause I'm a sucker. That's what I meant. Got another Mega Kali Stride Enabler. Alright, we got Shadow Paladin trigger. We got another Asya. Thank you, Asya. Oops. Got another one of the Genesis key card, I guess. Let's call it that. Got another Mega Kali Vanguard G, so I think we have a playset of that now. Neato. Got another one of this guy. I don't want to see him anymore, please. Got another Angel Feather Shide break. I think that's all the triple rares for this box. Let's see. Yeah. So sad. So sad. Oh, we got our first Neo Nectar double rare trader. Luck for this set has not been very good, must say. Oh, what the hell? Never mind. I got an SP destruction dude. So I think this is my 5th one. Wait, is it? I don't know. I got SP of him, so that's okay, I guess. I thought I'd be getting 1 box without him, and then it's like, whoop, nope, I got an SP. So that's cool. I don't mind. It's better than getting nothing. And I'm sure he's a good card. So yeah. All right. Last box. Let's see if we can get something awesome. Oh, it's Metatron double rare. This is the first time I got one. That's cool. People were pretty hype about her, but then they saw her effect and they're like, oh, I see. So yeah. I think I gotta place out of the Angel for the Perfect Card now. Got 1 more of him. I think I have 2 of him now, which is okay. Got another Genesis Perfect Card G. I think I have 3, maybe I have 4. I don't know. I'll check in a bit. Didn't get any GRs, but I got 2 SPs, which is okay, I guess. Yeah, but I really wanted the next age because I wanted to build the Your Chronicle deck, since the one I'm currently using right now isn't super competitive. It's okay, I guess, but it's not. Pretty sure the next age will make the deck a lot more competitive. Oh, and I got 1, so that's cool. Got 1, so I think I'll only run, I don't know, I'll run 2 maybe. I'm not sure of ratio. Either run 4 Ragnar Clock or 4 of him, but running 4 of this guy is pretty expensive, so probably go 2 with him and then 4 Ragnar Clock instead, since I already have the Ragnar Clocks. Another one of this guy. Mega Colony Stride break. Got the new Maiden Legion. That's all my triple rares, so. As overall, my pulls weren't horrible, but they weren't the best. So yeah, no special pack from me, guys. Quite unfortunate, but it is 2 to 3 per display, so you would have to have pretty good luck to pull that, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much all from me for this video. Actually, I'll do a quick recap first. Show you guys what I pulled, because I'm sure you guys are dying to know. Okay. I haven't got one of this guy. The double rares are quite scarce, apparently. So I really should pause, but you know, screw it. You guys can watch me sort through my cards, cause I'm lazy. So this guy. I think I got 5 of the destruction deities. So. Alright, so my pulls. Nope, you still have to watch me sort for this. Alright, so 2 of this. I think I got 2 of those, 2. Like 5 of those. Got 1 next stage. Let's see. One Metatron. This guy. 2. I think I'll place out that. Maybe I have to place out this. I may have probably 3. Ladybug Perfect Guard. I think I got. Wait. What? 3? Oh wait, no. Wait. Yes. God, I'm so bad at this. So bad at this game. So 3 Asha, only 1 Mega Colony. Dude. Gotta place out that guy. Right, sorry about the wait. Obviously I'm not the most organized person in the world, so deal with it. Over here. Definitely have a playset of that. Like more than a playset of this guy. My wolf husbando, or whatever he is. That, so three of these. I think I have 3 of these. I think I have 4 of these. Yep. 4 Angel Feather Perfect Guards. Yeah, I got 5 of these, so I'm gonna probably trade someone. 1, 4, 4. Alright, so quick recap. 2 Shadow Paladin double triggers. 3 of the Genesis key card. 2 of this thing. Where are her friends? Only 1 of this and it's SP. Raphael. 4 Perfect Gs for American Colony. 1 of the Shadow Paladin. No, Angel Feather. Sorry, Angel Feather. I think she's a key card. No, yeah, she's the key card. Need to go get more of her. 4 Angel Feather Perfect Gs. 3 Genesis Perfect Gs. So pretty good ratios for the Perfect Gs in my box. 3 Mega Colony. 2 of the Genesis Stride Break. 5 this guy. 5 of my Husbando. 1 of the Mega Colony Grade 4. 4 Ashias. 3 of the Neo Nectar Legion. 1 Neo Nectar Trigger. 3 Angel Feather Triple Rares. 2 of the Neo Nectar Double Rares. Grade 2. 1 Metatron. 1 Next Age. And 4 of the Royal Paladin Double Rare. So that's pretty much it for my polls. Thanks for watching, guys. Overall, I guess my polls were pretty decent. It's not the worst I can do. Not the best, but you know, I could ask for better, but you know, I definitely didn't want any worse. Anyway, this is Cardfight, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!